Welcome to the studio, the best fucking place on the entire planet to work out. I'm Jamie Kinkeade, and I cannot wait to bring the party to you. In our workouts, you're gonna get the most electrifying, energetic, joyful workouts you've ever experienced in your entire life. They are more like parties. You're gonna dance, you're gonna sweat, you're gonna move. We have bar, we have strength training, we have some yoga with hip hop, and we have the best music. None of that royalty-free music that sounds like elevator music in the background. We forfeit 100% of our monetization rights so that we can bring the music that you know and love into your workouts and light up your day with sweat, love, movement, and freedom like you've never felt before. If you discover our workouts are exactly what your body, your soul, and your mind have been needing for so long, and you want the full experience, download our app, The Studio by Jamie Kinkeade. We believe so much in what we're doing and the lives it has changed that we offer everybody a 14-day free trial to have full access to every single thing on our app, including our daily live streams and our on-demand workouts. Could be the best 14 days of your life. You never know unless you give it a try. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, go and follow us on all of our socials, and leave a comment below. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Let's do this.
Yeah. Woo! Girl, yeah.